everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your radiologist clinic business. So if you are also running a radiologist clinic and receive a lot of queries from your customers, then this video is definitely for you. We are going to design this chatbot to automate booking, report inquiries and working hours. So in this video, firstly we are going to create a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your radiologist clinic business. So this chatbot is going to book appointment, view report and view clinic hours for your customers. So this chatbot is going to save your time from your manual works and help you to interact with your customers regularly. So let's start creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. But firstly I am going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here it is named as XYZ Radiologist Clinic. So now let's send a message hello here. So here you can see I am going to send a message hello. As soon as I have entered this message, I am getting an automated welcome message that is hello, welcome to XYZ Radiology Center. How can we assist you today? And here we are getting three buttons, that is book appointment, view report and clinic hours. So now let's select book appointment here. As I'm selecting book appointment here, it is asking me to enter some of the details, that is full name, mobile number, preferred date and time, and the type of scan or the test I want. So now let's enter these details here. So here you can see as I've entered these details, I have got a confirmation message that my appointment request has been received. Now let's enroll to another button, that is view reports. As I'm selecting view report, it is asking me to enter the report ID or the registered mobile number. So now let's enter the report ID or mobile number here. So here you can see as I've entered this report ID, I am getting a PDF of a report. Now let's enroll to our third button, that is clinic hours. As I'm selecting clinic hours, I am getting an automated welcome message which consists of the clinic timings and the location. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot for a radiologist clinic business. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL. That is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. In this Pabbly Chatflow app, here you can see we are getting two buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here on this add WhatsApp number button, we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that, we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own flow. For that you just have to click on add flow button. Once you will click on add flow button, you will get this flow page, and here you can see we are getting the flow start node, and here on this flow start node it is asking me to enter the keywords, enter the reject, or to choose the template. So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter for the interaction with this chatbot. Now the next one we are getting is rejects. So rejects are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if we want to trigger any message, you can enter rejects like this. Now here we are getting the option for choose template. If you want to add template to your message, you can choose templates from here. Now here you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow name. So you can provide a name to your flow here. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for radiologist clinic business. You can provide name according to you. Now if a user sends me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, and templates. But for creating or sending a message, we just have to select text plus button. Now as you will select text plus button, you will get this message node, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So here you can see I have entered a welcome message for my customer, and now I am going to add some buttons to this message. For that here we are getting the add button option. So just click here, and here it is asking me to enter the text of my button. So let's enter the text of our first button. So here you can see I have created my first button, that is book appointment. Now I am going to create more buttons likewise. So just click on add button and enter the text of your buttons. So here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is view report and clinic ask. So here in this message node I have entered a welcome message and created three buttons. Now if the user selects book appointment, I want to ask about the details. For that I will just go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. So just select it. After selecting ask question, you will get this question node, and here you can enter the question or the message you want to ask from your customer. Now let's connect this book appointment button with this question node, and here we have to enter the question or the message we want to ask from our customer. Here you can see I have entered a message asking for the full name, mobile number, preferred date and time, and type of scan or test my customer wants. And now moving on further, here it is asking me to select contact custom fields. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom fields. For that you just have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just select it and create your own fields. Now here I am going to select contact custom field as details, and the format I am going to select as any. Now if the user provide these details, I want to send them a confirmation message that their appointment request has been received. So just drag and drop and select text plus button for entering the message. So here you can see I have entered a thank you or the confirmation message for my customer. Now if the user selects view report button, I want to ask them about the mobile number or the report ID. For that I have already told you, for asking a question to our customers we just have to select ask question, and the question node will appear, and here we have to type the question we want to ask from our customers. So just connect this view report button with this question node and enter the question asking for the report ID or the mobile number. Here you can see I have entered the question asking for the report ID and mobile number from my customers, and here I have entered report ID and mobile number between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to select contact custom field as contact here, and the format I am going to select is any. Now if the user answers this question, I want to provide them a document of their report. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for media. By selecting media, you can provide any type of media such as image, audio, video, document, etc. to your customers. So just select it, and here we are getting this message node, and here it is asking me to select media type, and here I am going to select media type as documents here, and here it is asking me to enter or paste the URL or drag or drop the file here. So now let's drag a file here. So here you can see I am having a sample report. So now I am going to attach this file over here, and I am going to provide a caption for this document, that is your reports. Now let's provide information of clinic asked to our customers. For that I will just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the clinic asked details in the form of message. Now let's enter a message here providing the details of our clinic asked. Here you can see I have entered a message providing the details about the timings and the locations of clinic. So here you can see we have successfully created a flow for our chatbot. Now for saving this flow, we just have to click on save. Once you will click on save, a pop-up will appear that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving messages from our customer, let me take you towards my inbox. For that, you just have to click on inbox, and after clicking on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and here you can see I am successfully receiving message from this number, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And here one point is to be noticed that it is following the path which we have created through our flow. That means if a user sends me a message, I will send them a welcome message. Now if a user selects book appointment, I am going to ask about some of the details. So here you can see we have successfully created a fully functional chatbot for a radiologist clinic business. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.